In this video, I'll show you how to share a folder using the Google Drive node in N8N. This is a quick and practical workflow step that can save you time when you need to manage folder permissions automatically inside your automation. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more N8N tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want inside N8N. Make sure you're in the correct automation where you want to add the folder sharing action. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel and search for Google Drive. Select the Google Drive node from the list and add it to your workflow. After the node is added, look for the option to share a folder. Choose the Share Folder action so you can manage access for that folder directly through the node. Next, configure what you want to share. This is where you select the folder and set the sharing details based on your needs. Make sure you choose the correct folder, then define the access settings so the right people or accounts can view or use it. Once everything is configured, review your settings to make sure the correct folder and sharing options are selected. After that, you can continue building your workflow or run it to test the setup. And that's it. You've now shared a folder using the Google Drive node in N8N. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.